Alright folks, how we doing? It's Mr. Carter here, ready to do HomeLink 512. Go ahead and put your name on this if you haven't already, and let's begin. Alright, so we are folding shapes for this homework here. What you're going to need before you start, you're going to need to have 2 sheets of paper, and you're going to need to have a pair of scissors and also a ruler to complete this homework. So we're going to just follow directions and answer the questions. So take a look. Fold a sheet of paper in half, then cut off the folded corner as shown. Before you unfold the cut off piece, guess its shape. So you'll see here, you'll notice that it's a half sheet, and we're going to cut it in the corners. So we're going to demonstrate that. So we're going to take this paper, fold it in half, like so. And then I'm just going to trim off a random corner. Well, the corner that's folded, you want to cut it. I'm going to do that right here, like so. Now, the question, they wanted you to guess what that shape is before we unfold it. Any guesses? All right. Oh, we've got a glare here, so let's move that down here. So, any guesses to what that is? Well, let's take a look. When we unfold it, we'll notice that it's a triangle. So we go and answer 1A. Unfold the cutoff piece. What shape it is? What shape is it? Sorry, it's a triangle. How many sides of the cutoff piece are the same length? Well, if we're looking back at this triangle, you'll notice that 2 sides are the same size. So this side here, this side there are the same length. The side that we didn't cut off, because if you remember, we folded it and cut it like this. So since we were folding, you'll notice here that this side, if we unfold, so this side and that side are the exact same length. This third one here would not. I mean, the way I cut it, it's pretty close to being all 3 of the sides the same, but technically it would be just 2 sides, the 2 sides where we made the cut. So that would be 2. And how many angles are the same size? That's question C. Well, this angle here and this angle here would be the same size. This third angle here, opposite to this side that we didn't cut, would not be equal. So the angles that are equal are opposite the sides that are equal. So the answer here is 2. The fold is the line of symmetry. Does the cutoff piece have any other lines of symmetry? So here where we folded it, that's our line of symmetry. Are there any others? Well, let's fold it at this vertex here. And you'll notice they're not quite the same. Let's try folding it at this vertex here. I fold it at that vertex. Oops, having difficulties here. If I fold it here, again, they're not quite the same. So the answer, so does the cutoff piece have any other lines of symmetry? The answer to that is no. It's only our original line of symmetry, which is that one where we made the fold of the paper to begin with. Okay. Question 2. Fold another sheet of paper in half, then fold it again. So let's start that. So here's my brand new sheet of paper. Once this way, and we're going to fold it again that way. Okay. That was our first step. So fold it in half again. Make a mark on both folded edges 2 inches from the folded corner, and cut off that folded corner. Before you unfold the cutoff piece, again, they want you to guess. So they drew a picture here. So you want 2 inches on one fold, 2 inches on the other fold. This is where the ruler comes in. So you're going to need to. So again, we're going right where they're all folded, right here on this corner here. I'll take my ruler and I'm going to measure 2 inches from the folded corner. It's about right there. And then we're going to do 2 inches again on this side here. Just a bit. 2 inches is about there. Okay. So now, what they want us to do is I'm going to take my ruler. I'm just going to draw a line from 1 point to 2. There we go. And that's where we're going to make our cut. Okay. So now you're supposed to make a guess as to what the shape is. So go ahead and try to make a guess. Now when we unfold it, we will see that we have a square. And how do I know it's a square? Because they should be all the same on each side. So that's 3 inches, about 3 inches, close to 3 inches, and 3 inches. So again, they're all about 3 inches in length. So this is a square. All right. Are there any other lines of symmetries besides the folded lines? So we have one line of symmetry here going diagonal, another line of symmetry going here, and they're asking, are there any other lines of symmetry? Well, yes. If we take our square and fold it in half going this direction, that would make it symmetrical, because there's no gap. So that's one more. And if we fold our square going this way, there's another line of symmetry going that way. Okay. So the answer to are there any other lines of symmetry besides the folded lines? The answer was yes. There were actually 2 more. On the back of this paper, draw a picture of the cutoff shape and draw all its lines of symmetry. So you're going to take your square that you made, and on the back of the paper, just draw what you came up with. So there's your square. You had your original lines of symmetry going diagonal. And you had your 2 others going across the center, like so. Here we go. That's it for the top. So let's look at our practice. Our practice is doing division, which is somewhat new for some of us. But we're going to take it easy and just do a couple. I'll do 3 and 4. And basically, division is the opposite of multiplying. So to do this problem here, 81 divided by what equals 9, you have to ask yourself, what times 9 will get you 81? Well, we know that 9 times 9 will get you 81. Now if we look at number 4, again, it's asking you what divided by 9 will get you 56. You take your 2 other numbers and you multiply them. So you go 9 times 6 would be 54. And then 54 divided by 9 is 6. Let's do 5. 7 equals 42 divided by what? Well, again, you got to ask yourself, what times 7 will get you 42? Well, that's 6. Because 7 times 6 is 42. And again, on this side here for number 6, they're asking you what divided by 9 is 8. Well, you just got to go 8 times 9, that's 72. So why don't you go ahead and do 7 and 8 on your own, see how you do with those, and we'll check in with you tomorrow. If you have any questions, please come and see me.